Sheena.
Ano na? Truth or
Chan.
Chan.
Randomizer, let's go! Of course, love your Chan. Sasabayan mo siya. Okay? Okay.
Love your Chan.
Ready tayo!
Wait, pwede po.
Music! Ay, hindi.
Pwede ba sample ko muna si Miss Ming?
Yeah.
Our guy.
Paano naman?
Papahinga na ako.
Love your Chan.
Music please.
Sample muna. Okay, recording artist.
Diba?
Okay, game music.
That, one more? Okay, work it sis! Work it sis
Work it,
naman!
This is how it is. Move your body, we got your belly. Love bellies, we love bellies. Work it out, sis. Love bellies, we love bellies. Work it, sis. Push on it like a muscle, like a muscle. Work it out, sis. Love bellies. Put a period to period with Busta Valentinas.
Wow! Let's give it up for Sheena! Thank you so much. Picture po muna. Ang galing, no? Gusto ko yung natutuhan niyo yung dance steps ng Jingle ni Mimi on the spot. That's how you know that's a real performer right there. Thank you so much. And of course, post to cam, ready na ulit kami para sa inyo. At ready na rin si Beanie Stacy! Beanie Stacy, come on up! Meron na ba? Meron na tayong napili? Hi! Flower for you. Sino na ang napili natin sa post to cam? Sakpong excited kami. Si Stacy. Hi! What's your name? Hi! Anong pangalan niyo po? Ano no? Rima Eliza, okay. Stacy, of course. Hi! Nice to meet you. Ayan. So, madam, please. Ano hindi ka na paiyak doon? O, diba? Congratulations. Thank you so much, Beanie Stacy. Smile muna. Picture muna. I love that. Okay. Face a bit. And of course, thank you so much. And of course, Joanna, your fans are here! Go, go, go! Meron na tayong napili. Hi, here she comes! Hello! Abutan natin siya ng mic. Hi!
Cute naman ni ate.
Hi, hi, what's your name?
My name is Priya po.
Priya! Priya, thanks so much for being here. And now is your chance. Ask Joanna the question.
Truth or Chan?
Aray, tinaas din ako.
Diba? Tataasan mo rin siya ng kilay, girl.
Gusto ko sana mag-chan, pero lahat sila nag-chan na. So, truth tayo.
Wala! Yan naman ang honest. Kaya, randomizer, let's go! Priya and Joanna.
Kung ang pag-uusapan natin yung pain, alam niyo ba nahihimatay ako pag may period ako? Nahihimatay ako pag may period ako. So, ang sagot ko talaga, alam ng nanay ko yan, ginagamit ko po talaga itong Buscopan.
Woo! Let's go! Buscopan!
Ikaw ba? Pag ano bang nararamdaman mo kapag may period ka?
Wow! Thank you so much, Beanie Aya, and thank you, Buscopan, for keeping our girls comfortable every month. So, picture muna. Tinuturo ng Beanie Aya. Yan. So, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's Beanie and Mimia, and of course, Buscopan that keeps us comfortable every month. Now, I'd like to call all of our fans back on stage para makapapicture kayo with Beanie and Mimi. Alright, come on. Let's go up. Let's come up on stage. Lahat kayo sama-sama. One big photo op. That was Truth or Chan, everyone, and that was amazing. What's your name?
My name is Ben. Hello, my name is Teen.
And you were just doing push-ups kanina. Grabing dedication yan. I love that for you. Randomizer, go! Sana merong push-ups, di ba? Parang worth it naman yung ginagawa mo kanina. Knee taps, Mimi! Paano yan?
So napakadila, it goes a little bit something like this. Tap and tap and tap and tap. You know what I'm saying?
Tap.
And tap and tap and tap. Yes.
Yes, okay. So guys, kayang-kaya nyo yan. Right? Gwen, Aya, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Here we go. 1 minute starts now! Nakakapagod to, ah. It looks simple. Pero 1 minute nyo lang ginagawa. 40 seconds left to go! Energy! Energy! More! Woo! I'm feeling ate. Sige pa. One more. Help! Let's go! Let's go! Woo! And 25 seconds. Sayaw! Finish! Woo! Boys na, boys. I love it. Sabayan niyo ako, countdown! Over 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Ako yung nagpasa sa inyo. Guys, hiningal kayo o hindi?
Of course not.
Ay, wala lang, wala lang. Medyo ano. How do you feel? Speechless. Gwen, Aya, how do you guys feel? Kaya pa?
Kaya pa.
Question mark? Kaya ba pero hindi ko na kayo pasasayawin pa dahil pareho naman kayong panalo. So, congratulations. Thank you for showing us